Do you currently have a Facebook group but not really sure on how to monetize it? Well, I'm going to talk about how to make money with Facebook groups in 2020. Make sure you stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dale L. Roberts, a best-selling author as well as a self-publishing advocate who wants to show you how to publish books that sell. And if you want that too, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also join me on Twitch every Monday at 12 p.m. at twitch.tv/self-publish. And if you have Amazon Prime, you can subscribe for free and get a few freebies in the process. Stick around to the end because I'm going to be telling you some best practices and proven strategies I've used to monetize my specific groups on Facebook. The big problem when it comes to Facebook groups, and especially when it comes to selling it, a lot of people are really concerned that if they start to leverage their Facebook group audience to get some type of sales, they think they're going to scare away their audience. But you know, if you take a step back and you approach it in the best way possible, then you should minimize the amount of people getting scared away. If anything, it's going to be delivering them the goods, giving value to them, and that way the sale is going to make sense. So here are 5 best practices and proven strategies I've even used on my groups when it comes to making money. Number 1, build first, sell later. Okay, so if you've got a group, let's say less than 100 members, one of the worst things you can do is just start to beat people up with all of your different products, services, and wares. They're just gonna get tired. They're gonna leave. You want to make your community grow first and then worry about sales. So get people in there, get engagement, get it to where people are chatting on a regular basis. If you're seeing only 1 post per day and only a few people are interacting, then chances are likely it's not grown to the capacity it needs to be before you start selling people on things. Now, there's gonna be some sales experts out there losing their minds, but that's okay. I promise you, grow your group. In the long term, you'll be able to monetize that and it will make more sense. Number 2, passive links. So if you've got any kind of products, services, or any type of brands that you want to, of course, sell to people, you're gonna go ahead and place a link inside your description or inside a post that you're putting up. Any number of places to where it can kind of passively collect any kind of traffic. One of my favorite ways of doing things is sending people over to my YouTube channel or over to my email list, or even towards a course that I've already created to where they can buy that. And I'm not really having to beat anybody up, it's just sitting there, so it's fairly innocuous, and if somebody clicks on it, fantastic. If not, at least it's just kind of sitting there and doing its job. So if you're really concerned early on about making some sales and it's a little smaller, then this is the exception to the rule about building first and selling last. You can put some passive links in place. Number 3, deliver ridiculously stupid value before selling. I think Gary Vee put out a book, it was called Jab, 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 Right Hook at one point or another, and to summarize it, it's saying deliver value, deliver value, deliver value, and then sell. When you deliver so much stinking value, what ends up happening is when you finally go to sell a product, people are a fan of you. They've learned to who you are. They've built that know, like, and trust factor. So when you do go for a sale of something, they're gonna go, absolutely, of course I'm gonna buy it. In some instances, if they like you enough, they will share your products for you and do the work for you, which is pretty freaking cool. Number 4, promo posts to avoid overselling. I shared this in my past video about 25 tips for Facebook groups, and part of that was putting together just a purge post of some sort. And you're gonna find that sometimes, and it's not in all walks and all genres and all niches, but there's gonna be sometimes that other brands or services are gonna come in and they want to sell their stuff. I would recommend that you put it into your rules that they don't, but create a purge post of sort to where they have an entire day on a specific thread that they promote their brands, their services, their affiliate products into one post. And what this does is it puts everything into a very engaged post and people can kind of learn where to go. And also, when you go to do your sales, you're taking center stage. It's something a bit more special than if, say, for instance, you have everybody willy-nilly selling their products and then you go to sell yours. Well, you're not going to be heard above the noise. One of the ways you can mitigate that is putting in together a promo post to where people can kind of insert all their products and services and stay there. That way when you go to sell yours, it's a bit more special. Number 5, live video for the win. Going live into your group is just a big win for everyone, and especially if you're an expert or authority in your niche, or even someone that, people look up to. If you live stream in your group, here's the cool thing is people will start to tune in, and especially if you let them know ahead of time you're going to be at a specific time spot, they will show up and they will engage in that post. You get so much more engagement in live video posts, especially if you're chatting with each person and welcoming into the live stream and asking relevant questions to get conversation going. It's going to send little messages, little triggers to the Facebook algorithm that there's something important about your group, and it's going to send more people into there, and it starts to grow your group. And of course, you will have a deeper pool of people that you're able to sell your products, your services, your wares, and all that type of stuff. And if you're doing a live video, don't be afraid to sell. You can always just let people know, hey, by the time I'm done with this live video, I just want to let you know ahead of time if it's cool, I'm going to share something with you. Also, if you want to skip right to it, I've got a link inside my video. So what you would do is send them to a specific link. Make sure it is inside that live stream for that video. Hey, would you like to learn a little bit more about Facebook groups for business? Well, good news. I told you already before, I did a full video about 25 Facebook group hacks. You're going to find out in this very next video. The 25th one's going to surprise you. It's going to you're going to be like, oh my gosh, but you're not going to be able to find that out until you see in the very next video. So I'll see you there.